Hi everyone. Today I want to introduce you to a powerful tool that will significantly simplify and speed up your workflow in Blender, the PBR texture material generator. And the best part? It's completely free. This add-on turns the process of creating PBR materials into something quick, intuitive, and user-friendly. With just a couple of clicks, you can import any texture and automatically generate a fully functional PBR material, ready to use in your scenes. Just load an image and the add-on will generate all the necessary maps for you. Normal, height, roughness, metallic, and more. It sets up the shader nodes, connects everything properly, and builds a clean, professional material structure all automatically. No more manual node setups or complicated workflows. One of the standout features is the automatic seamless texture generation. If you're working with non-tileable images or creating your own textures, this tool lets you turn them into seamless textures directly inside Blender with just one click. Even better, the entire process can be batch automated. Simply select a folder with multiple images, and the add-on will process all of them, generating materials, assigning proper names, and even saving them as assets in your Blender asset library. It's a huge time saver if you're managing a large texture collection or building your own material library. Another great feature is the ability to automatically render material previews. You don't need to set up a preview scene manually. The add-on creates everything for you, including the lighting, camera, and preview sphere. Your materials will look clean and professional in the asset browser, right from the start. This tool is a perfect solution for anyone who values efficiency, automation, and ease of use, whether you're a beginner or a professional 3D artist. And once again, this add-on is completely free and available right now on Blender Market. Just download it and start using it today. You'll find the link in the description below. If you like the tool, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.